For 6 years, I couldn't grow lettuce. Not like a little disappointing I couldn't grow lettuce. I mean, if lettuce had feelings, it would have filed a restraining order. Every spring, I'd plant packets of it full of optimism, and every summer, I'd be reminded to stay humble. And then this happened. Welcome back to Singh Tries. After 6 years of trying, I now have so much lettuce it's coming out of my ears. So, I'm making soup. I don't know if that's resourceful or if I've completely lost the plot. People always say, good things come to those who wait. Apparently, nobody told them that gardening adds a few extra years onto that. 6 years. 6 years of trying. Well, some years not even anything sprouted. I tried broadcasting seeds. I tried seed tape. I even tried pretending I knew what I was doing. Nothing. Well, that's not entirely true. One year I managed to grow exactly one little romaine. The deer and the gophers appreciated the snack. This year, lettuce finally decided that we could be friends. And now, well, we're a little too close. Careful what you wish for, I guess. I've gone from praying for lettuce to checking if any of my neighbors left their doors unlocked. I've eaten salads, I've tried giving it away, I've stared at it, hoping it somehow solve itself. No luck. Then I found something online. Lettuce soup, which sounds exactly like something someone invented after growing far too much lettuce. But first, we have to harvest some. Look at all these varieties. We've got speckled romaine, and the red speckling here is actually part of the variety. We've got some butterheads and some mystery mix that I apparently bought at some point. Some of it has already bolted. Now, normally that's garden's way of saying, well, better luck next time. But on this red lettuce, there are yellow little flowers. They're very beautiful, but I didn't get any footage because it actually disappeared so quickly. How times have changed. 6 years ago, I would have been celebrating getting one decent head of lettuce, and now I'm standing here admiring the flowers because I have too much. Talk about turning over a new leaf. There's also been lots of news lately about parasites and fresh vegetables in the stores. Meanwhile, home gardeners are quietly living their best life. Although, my food safety standards mostly involve looking at the lettuce and saying, yep, looks lettucey. Fortunately, washing vegetables is one habit I don't leave behind. I've never made lettuce soup, which means this is either going to become a new favorite recipe or the world's fanciest way to admit that I should have planted less lettuce. Well, either way, we're committed now. There's no remaining neutral. I sauteed some onions and garlic because no recipe is complete without those two showing up. Then in goes the stock. The lettuce, a bit of parsley, and since garnishing it with lettuce felt a little on the nose, I've also gone with some pea shoots. And now it's time to taste. Well, it's actually really good. It kind of reminds me of stinging nettle soup. So now I'm wondering, is this the poor man's version of stinging nettle soup? Or is stinging nettle soup the poor man's version of lettuce soup? Well, who knows? It's really fresh, really light. It's definitely not given lettuce because I'm over salads at this point. So it's a nice change of pace. I would absolutely make this again, which is fortunate because judging by the garden, I don't think the lettuce consulted me before making more. While I've been figuring out creative ways to use lettuce, the rest of the garden has been quietly getting on with business. The tomatoes are getting taller, the peas are filling out, beans are flowering. Every morning I come outside and something else has changed. It's one of my favorite parts of gardening. You don't always notice it when you're in the middle of it, until one day you stop, look around, and realize that everything took off. Gardening has a funny way of rewarding stubborn people. Sometimes it's not right away. Sometimes it's not even next year. But every once in a while, all those years of trying finally pay off. Or in this case, they pay off in lettuce. Lots and lots and lots of lettuce. Well, until next time, we plant, we panic, and apparently, we make anything into soup.